Welcome, kids, to the world of cars. Let's see what kind of cars we will learn about today.